All right, guys, I just wanted to show you guys a trade I just executed here. Just trading a little bit of Pepe, just playing around with the market a little bit. I already took my profits here. Actually, it wasn't even real profits. So what I did is let me make sure the mic is on. I just want to show you guys real quick. So what I did is I jumped in a trade right around, I think it was like right around here, but I wasn't paying attention, bro. I was on the 15-minute chart, and I really should have been on the 1 to 5, really, ready for my entry. So what happened was I took the trade. I'm coming down. I took $1,000 trade here, and then I took another $1,000 trade when I saw a peak in market here. I believe it was here. I'm not sure. And then I think the market fell. Yeah, it was, because the market fell right about here, and I was like, fuck, because I already have my original. If you guys can see here. There, let me go to the 15 minutes again. I already have my original setup here, right? But then I already downscaled on a lower time frame, right? As you can see here, now I'm playing around with the 15-minute chart. So things look a lot different than when I'm on a 5 or 1 minute chart, right? So what I did is I waited. I was already down. I was down about 50, 60, 70 bucks here. And I put another 500 here. Rode the trade all the way here, right? Obviously, we saw some pullback, but we didn't finish here above my resistance zone. No, we finished above my resistance zone here. And then the market shot up. And then I took profits right here. I made about $5, but all in all, I recovered my $75. So really, I wasn't paying attention. I should have taken the trade down here at first. I would have put $2,000 there. Then I would have made a quick little $200 right here, and then I would wait and rinse and repeat and do it all over again. So I just want to show you guys. But yeah. So that's just kind of how I did it for today. But yeah, I'm going to be looking for some more entries soon. But yeah, that was my mistake. I wasn't paying attention to the time frame and made a simple mistake. But yeah, usually that won't happen. So like right here, this is looking beautiful for me and what I'm trying to accomplish. So yeah, a lot of you guys are, I'm not like a guru, and I'm not here to break this stuff down. I'm just showing you guys kind of like what I do during the day. If I'm not doing YouTube, or if I'm not doing cards or things like that, I'm scaling the market, trying to see what I could find, trying to make a couple of $200 here, 150 there, 500 here, depending on what I'm trying to play with. If I'm usually my max for the day, I keep on, I usually do it on Robinhood. Max I keep in the day is like 3,000 on there, or else I'll get too greedy. So yeah, I'll try to scale that. Pull another 7 once I get to 10. Boom, leave 3, do it, rinse and repeat. Boom, boom, bam, bam, bam. It's not always going to work like that, but you guys kind of get where I'm coming from. So as you guys can see here, we can go back on the 1 minute chart, and it's looking kind of like what I want right here. I would probably put a re-entry right here after that pullback, because it still hasn't crossed my trend line. And yeah, that's kind of like where I'm at. As you guys can see, I'm making this video, but if I wasn't, I probably would have entered right here and probably would have put like 2K right there, and then boom, and then we'll see where we're at, and then hopefully we could trend after that, and then I can go to my TP up here, and then I'd pull, and then I'd literally just wait to see how the market's going to do at this resistance here, and then rinse and repeat, like I said, and do it all over again. So yeah, man, that's all I got. I'm gonna make it short and quick, and I appreciate you guys, bro. Hit the subscribe button. This is not what my channel's about. I just kind of talk about YouTube, my life, what I do, motivate you guys how to make money and stuff like that. So I'll catch you guys on the next one. I'm out.